Welcome back, friends. As always, thanks for coming along. With all the rainy weather the last few weeks, we thought the best way to use it to our advantage would be to watch it fall, not just out of the sky, but instead off a mountainside. Make sure to bring your rain jacket or an umbrella. I hope you're ready, rain or shine. Let's explore Multnomah Falls. Did you know? Multnomah Falls is the most visited natural recreation site in the Pacific Northwest. Just 30 miles east of Portland, these falls attract visitors year-round with over 2 million annually. Multnomah Falls is located on Multnomah Creek in the Columbia River Gorge and is accessible from the historic Columbia River Highway. Parking is plentiful, but depending on the time of year you may need a permit. The Multnomah Falls Lodge Visitor Center is well maintained with a snack bar, a gift shop, restrooms and a restaurant to supply all your needs. To find the falls, all you gotta do is open your eyes or ears. Really, you can't miss it. The lower pool is only a few minutes walk from the parking lot and easily accessed via the paved pathways. This is a good area if you want to take a couple photographs. We'll be heading up to and over the iconic Benson Bridge next. Getting to Benson Bridge is a fairly easy walk up the nicely paved path. Moss grows on every tree and stone. It makes my curious mind wonder, how long would it take to envelop a human in? Should I try? Answer in the comments below. If you brought a rain jacket, this would be a good time to use it. Benson Bridge is a reinforced concrete arch footbridge that spans a length of 45 feet between the upper and lower segments of the waterfall. From the bridge you are over 100 feet above the lower falls, and it provides an expansive view of Upper Multnomah Falls. Built in 1914, that makes this bridge over 100 years old. The bridge and Multnomah are a perfect pair, and I wouldn't want to imagine either one without the other. From Multnomah Falls there are a few trails at varying lengths and difficulty levels to suit just about anyone's hiking needs. So whether you've got all day or only an hour, it's well worth the trip. We are very glad we did, and if you're undecided, maybe our recommendation will help convince you to visit. Just make sure to clear some space on your phone or camera, because there are photo opportunities everywhere. Well, we hope you enjoyed watching, hopefully from someplace warm and dry. Next time we visit, we'll be sure to bring a towel or two along with us. An extra pair of dry socks wouldn't hurt either. We prefer not to say goodbye, instead, we'll see you later. Tell us, where is your favorite place to visit, or where should we visit next? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more from us.